a look at question number 2 here. We have the coordinates of P and the coordinates of Q, and we need to give the gradient in the form n plus the square root of 15. We need to give it in that form, and this is worth 5 marks. So if we want to work out the gradient, we first need to use the equation gradient is equal to y2 take away y1 divided by x2 take away x1. So this is your x coordinate, this is your y coordinate, this is your x coordinate, this is your y coordinate. We'll call this the first coordinate, so we'll call it x1, y1, and these two we'll call them x2 and y2. So if we substitute these values into here, we get 4 square root 5 minus y1, which is 2 square root 3, over x2 minus x1. Right, so we somehow need to simplify this to make it look like that. What we need to do here is we need to rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, we need to multiply this by a fraction. And that fraction is going to be this denominator here. But instead of the minus, we're going to have a plus. Okay, it's always going to be the opposite sign. Right, so root 5 plus root 3 over root 5 plus root 3. And this is equal to 1. Now we're going to multiply. It's like multiplying out double brackets, so let's actually write it as double brackets. So we multiply this together, so that times that, well, root 5 times root 5 is 5, times 4 is 20. That's going to give you 4 times root 15. And this times this is going to give you minus 2 root 15. And this times this, well, root 3 times root 3 is 3, times minus 2 is minus 6. Over, and then root 5 times root 5 is 5. That times that is plus root 15. Here we have a minus root 15 and a minus 3. Okay, so let's tidy this up a little bit more. So 20 take away 6 is 14, minus, and that take away, that gives you 2, as a plus 2 square root 15, divided by root 15 and minus root 15 cancel each other out, so you're left with 5 minus 3, which is 2. We can simplify this to 14 divided by 2 is 7, plus the 2's cancel out here, root 15. The question asked us to write your answer in the form n plus root 15, and we've done that, so it's 7 plus root 15. So let's go through the Mark allocation for this question. So in this first part here, we had to realise that we were working out the gradient and putting the numbers correctly. You'll get 1 mark for doing that, and then secondly for realising that you had to multiply it by root 5 plus root 3 over root 5 plus root 3, you'll get your 2nd mark. Now your 3rd mark is for getting the numerator correct, so multiplying that out, simplifying it to that, and then finally getting down to that. That will get you your 3rd mark. Similarly, your denominator, if you multiply that out and get 2, that will get you your 4th mark, and your final mark was just to divide these two. That's how you get your 5 marks.